monkey. Oga taxi driver, mind yourself. No fish for another person river. Hold your body. Mr. Taxi driver, check am well. Oh. Sweetie, sweetie, da kili, kili. Na longer throat, they kill monkey.
So guys, I'm just having my breakfast now. Long day, was a long day. After this I have my bath and I go for my appointment. Huh? After this I have my appointment now. Have my bath, then I go for my appointment. I'll see you guys when I've had my bath and I'm ready to go out. So I'll just talk for a bit right now. Okay, let me just enjoy this meal. Okay. Hello guys, my tired is tired. I just finished dropping these guys, these kids at school, and I came in and I prayed. I said my morning prayer, and looking forward to what today is gonna be. First, I would like to do some YouTube videos, guys. I don't know if you don't know, I shoot video on this channel every day. Like, I'm ready for you guys. I don't know if you're ready to learn Igbo, but if you're definitely ready and serious to learn Igbo, this is the channel for you, because I do videos. I shoot, I post videos every day. I don't know if you're into content creation, then you know it's not easy to bring out video every blessed day. It's not easy, and you know, Igbo video is a bit quite different because I have to do it with subtitles. It's not like regular videos, vlog that I'm speaking English and you're understanding me. You get Igbo. I have to use I have to edit, and I have to places I use English, I have to write in Igbo, and places of course I use Igbo, I have to translate to English. So the editing is quite different and stressful. But nevertheless, I told you guys I love what I'm doing, and that's why I'm doing it. But I just need you guys to subscribe to this channel and like these videos. Like my videos, guys. When you like my videos and comment, YouTube recommends it to a wider range of people, guys. I've also shown you guys on my community the analytics YouTube sends to me. They actually tell me that the people that are watching me that are not subscribed to my channel are way more than the people that are watching me that are subscribed to my channel. I don't know. You clicked on my video, you watch my video. I don't know what it takes to subscribe. Subscription is free. You know, guys. Okay, guys. I don't know. I just like I said, I just finished doing my morning devotion now. So I'll just I've already written down the notes of the video I'm gonna do. So I'll just have to start shooting those videos now, because I think I still have to make soup and stew today. So I have to just do all these things before these kids are done from school. Because once they are done from school, your day is done as well, because you can't do anything. They won't allow you to do anything. I don't know. I think it's tomorrow I have appointment with the dermatologist, not today. So I'll just check my appointment schedule. I'll just check my appointment where I put down appointment. Then I'll know if I have appointment today or tomorrow. But I think my son has an appointment with the midwife today, but I'm not very sure. This weekend was a bit stressful because my son had cold, so it was a bit stressful. Yeah, he's sleeping with this heavy snores, and I have to be awake watching him, you know, that kind of thing, because I was very much disturbed. So, but today is very much okay. He went to school. Hopefully he's gonna be fine from school. I won't have to get any call to come and pick him. Okay guys, I'll see you guys. Just wanted to give you update for today, because this is just a vlog in a row. So I just want to give you update today, and if I have anything going on today, I'll just put it in place. But just definitely know after this I'm gonna shoot video and I'm gonna start making meal. I'll just relax and do some assignment on the system. Okay guys, I'll see you. Okay, stay tuned. So guys, this is after the last video I did. Sorry, this is the, I'm done with shooting the videos like I told you guys. Yes, I'm done with that. So I just want to relax a bit. I was supposed to have an appointment with the dermatologist today, but I just called her. So I called her to tell her about the last thing we had together, that it's not the way I don't think the result is coming out the way it was supposed to be, and she told me that I can come around on Friday. So I'm going to take you guys with me on Friday to the place, hopefully, but not today anymore. And after this thing now, I have some clothes in the washing machine which I'll go and take out right now. If I'm finished from here, I'll go and take it out. Then what again do I have to do? I have an assignment I have to do. I just have to go and bring out my laptop, then do that assignment. Yes, after doing that assignment, I have to vacuum the house. After vacuuming the house, I don't know how possible is it to cook anymore because your girl is tired. Yes, your girl is tired. But from here now, I think from here now we'll just go and take out the clothes in the washing machine first. Then after that, guys, I'm not playing with you guys. So see the notes. See, I make notes for you guys. See, the note is almost filled up. Oh. See, it's almost filled up. You can see this is how many leaves. It's not even written on how many leaves notebook is this. I have been posting video on this channel every blessed day. I post video on this channel around 5 p.m. Central African time and Central European time. That is because I'm looking at the people that are watching my video more, and I'm trying to post at that particular time. But I don't know, tell me the time you think is okay for me to post, and I'll do majority carries the votes there. So that is it, guys. It's not easy to do this video. Yes, it's not easy to do this video, being the fact that I have to translate every video I do to English. Yes, I have to translate it because I'm teaching Igbo language, so I have to translate it to English. And sometimes you do this, people don't want it that way. You do that, people don't want it that way. It's okay because it's my channel, I told you guys, but it's your show. So anything you feel like you want me to correct for you, yes, I'm doing it because I feel it's okay. But because you're the one that is learning it, I have to do it the way that will be suitable for you to learn. So please, always tell me, okay? Always tell me. I've already tried making my video for December. My videos I'm gonna post for December. I've already tried to write the topics down. I've written about 4 now, but hopefully I'll write most of them because it's very important to write out the videos you want to do for that month. Then when that month starts, your own, you should just see the videos, make your notes, and come out and come and do the video. Making notes is very important. Yeah, it makes you to know the direction you're going. Okay, so don't think that making this note is fun. It's not fun, but it's important. Yes, I keep telling people, if you don't like to create content, don't do YouTube. Because one of my someone that I know that does YouTube came on my inbox and was ranting to me how consistent he or she has been, but it's just the growth is just slow. I'm like, yeah, the growth is slow, but that is it. If I say I'm not doing video, one mind tells me do video. Do you understand? Because I love to do video, so I'm always encouraged to do video one way or the other. Even if I have a lot of views, I don't have a lot of views, I still end up doing video because I love to create content. That is just the basic truth there. I'm not going to lie you guys. So guys, let's go and take out the clothes in the washing machine first. Then after that, we know where to put head. Take out the clothes in the washing machine first, and after that we know where we go put head.
passenger. Where them they go? Now him they come carry a wolf sugar. Come they give
guys. Cold don't they come out? If you see the cold outside yesterday, it was not funny at all. It was not funny. And the cold here does not have respect one bit. When he wants to cold here, no space. Telling you. He wants to cold here, no space. No space at all.
Sweetie, sweetie, na kili, kili, na longa throat, make you monkey. Mr. Taxi driver, check am well, oh. Sweetie, sweetie, na kili, kili, na longa throat, take you monkey. Driver wait for morning, starting motor to carry passenger.
So guys, I have to just put this thing on, this laptop on charge, then quickly do some things. The way the time they run, I don't know if only me that feels that way. The time can be very running. Time can be very running. So I'm just set this properly the way it's supposed to be, and I think it's somewhere here. I don't even remember the place I'm supposed to, but I'm gonna ask someone. I think it's somewhere here. I don't know, I think it's here. Or just this one. I'm not very sure, guys. Not very sure. I'm not very sure, guys. So that is it, guys. I think I'm going to be ending this here. I don't want these vlogs to always be long or anything, because these are the in-between vlogs I try to bring on the channel from time to time, just to make this channel a little bit spicy. Do you understand? I don't want every time it's like I'm teaching. So that is it. I'm going to be ending this vlog here, and probably I'll see you guys on Friday, the day of going for my what is it called, on Friday, the day of going for my dentist. Sorry, I love to say dentist because I have braces on my teeth, so I'm very used to dentist appointments. The day I have to see my dermatologist, maybe I'll start up a vlog on that very day. I think I'll be ending this one now. I enjoy staying with you guys and enjoy doing this video as well. It could be stressful, but at the same time I enjoy it. So just know that after today, after here, what I'm just gonna do is to vacuum this place, then what again, vacuum this place, then do this thing I want to do on the system, do this, some of this assignment I want to do, and that will be all. But if you want me to, if you guys want to come along with me when I'm vacuuming the house, I don't mind taking you guys with me as I'm vacuuming the house. If you guys want to see me vacuum the house, I don't mind carrying you guys along, but I just feel it to be a little bit of, you know, boring for you guys, so that's just it. But nevertheless, just now I'm gonna vacuum the house right now. Watch my videos, learn how to speak Igbo. Tell me the video you want me to bring up on this channel from time to time. Tell me what you want. If you don't tell me what you want, how am I gonna know what you want? So tell me what you want, okay? I'll bring it to your doorstep. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye. Ciao, ciao.